Welcome to Croatia, a country where every sunrise smells like the sea, and every turn of the road reveals a brand new fairy tale. Here, the turquoise waves of the Adriatic meet ancient stone towns hidden between mountains and vineyards. Today, we'll explore the Croatia you won't find in travel brochures. Welcome to Rovinj, a place where time seems to stand still. Narrow cobbled streets lead you to the sea, pastel houses reflect in the water, and the scent of salt and pine fills the air. This small town on the Istrian coast hides a soul bigger than many cities, full of art, history, and quiet magic that never leaves your heart. Welcome to Krka National Park, where nature speaks in the language of waterfalls. Crystal clear rivers carve their way through ancient forests, creating a world that feels untouched by time. Every drop, every ray of sunlight here tells a story of pure, wild Croatia. Breathtaking, alive, and unforgettable. On the island of Mljet lies one of nature's strangest wonders, a golden horn of sand that moves with the wind and the sea. This is Zlatni Rat, a beach that never looks the same twice. From above, it's a perfect shape, a dream carved by the waves. Here, the turquoise water wraps around glowing sand, pine trees whisper in the breeze, and every sunset paints the beach in a new shade of gold. It's not just a place to visit, it's a living masterpiece, sculpted by nature itself. Far from the crowds, there's an island where the forest meets the sea. Mljet, emerald lakes, silent trails, and a monastery floating in still water. It's Croatia's most peaceful secret, untouched, timeless, and alive with nature's rhythm. If you love discovering hidden places like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of Croatia.